You can determine ABO blood groups by the different types of antigens that are present on the red blood cells. In this case, we have antigen A present on this red blood cell on its surface. If we have antigen A on its surface, we'll end up having anti-B antibodies running in its plasma. These antibodies, anti-B antibodies, cannot bind with antigen A. So this blood type is called type A. Over here, we have antigen B on the surface of this red blood cell. This is called type B blood. In this type, we'll end up having anti-A antibodies in the plasma. This type of antibody cannot bind to the antigen B. However, if you look at type A blood, this type of antibody can bind to that type of antigen. So if you by accidentally put a type B in a type A, we'll have some problems, and these antibodies will start binding to these antigens, and then it'll start clotting and slowing down the blood flow. Type AB blood is when you have both antigens A and B on the surface of the red blood cells. If you have these two antigens on the surface, you're going to end up having no antibody in the plasma because you don't want it to bind. In the type O case, you have neither of the antigens on the surface, so you can have both antibodies in the plasma. So this type of blood, you can put it into a type A person or a type B person, and you wouldn't get any problems because it doesn't have any surface antigens, and you won't have the problem of this antibody or that antibody binding to